Algebra 2. Today we are here to discuss Chapter 11.6, which is making some inferences from experiments. This will be a pretty quick video, so I hope you like that. So really we just want to take data that has been collected and then manipulate it in a way that we can make some inferences. So we have a randomized comparative experiment to test whether students who are given weekly quizzes do better on a comprehensive final. The control group has 10 students, and the treatment group, which receives the weekly quizzes, also has 10 students. The table of the quiz results is shown below. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is find the mean score of the control group. So the mean would be the average. So we're going to add them all up and divide by how many we have. So I'm going to grab a calculator here real quick. So I'm adding 82 plus 55 plus 76 plus 92 plus 76 plus 76 plus 82 plus 58 plus 69 plus 79 gives me a grand total of 745. Now that's my total divided by 10. So my mean would be 74.5. Okay, up next I'm going to find the mean score of the treatment group. So I'm going to add the 92 plus 90, 88, 73, 88, 63, 94, 81, 81, and 77. That gives me a grand total of 827 divided by how many I have, which is 10, and I have 82.7. Okay, now at the end, we're going to conclude something. And so right now, just to point out that treatment group does have a higher mean score. Okay, up next, we want to find the experimental difference in the means. Sometimes you might see that written as like the mean of the like treatment group minus the mean of the control group. You're just doing mean minus mean. Okay, so I'm going to do 82.7 minus 74.5 for a grand total of 8.2. So that just tells me there's 8.2 like data points between the two means. All right, we're going to stick with this set of data and go on and look at a dot plot. So up next, it wants us to make a dot plot. And a dot plot you do on a number line. So the first thing, and you would do separate number lines. So I'm going to draw a number line. And this is going to be for the control group. Okay, and you don't have to have like every data point, like you don't have to go from like 0 to 100, let's say, because we don't actually go down that far. But you do want to maybe do your two number lines the same, like because I'm going to do a second number line for the treatment group, and to accurately compare them, you would want them to have the same scale. So it looks like maybe our low end is 50. So maybe I just count by tens. 50, 60, 70. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the scale for my treatment group. And if you've never made a dot plot, or you haven't made a dot plot in a while, you just apply dots. So the first dot I'm going to put on the control group one is 1 at 82. So like where I think 82 is, I'm just going to put a dot. And then 55 has a dot, 76, 92, 76. So I got to 76 again, so then you start going up. So 76, 76, 82, 58, 69, and 79. Okay, so it really also gives you frequency because you can see which ones occurred more than once. So for my treatment group then, I'm going to put a dot at 92, 1 at 90, 88, 73, 88, 63, 94, 81, 81, and 77. Okay, so that's just it on a dot plot. Now you can kind of see, if we're going to interpret things, how these are more grouped, right? Around 80, a little south of 80. This is a little more grouped between 80 and 90. So you can really more see your median. That would be like the middle where it's kind of maybe more grouped together there. So what can we conclude? So they're trying to see, is a weekly quiz actually help grades? Okay. And I would say, yeah, weekly quiz does help grades, or helps with the final exam. So we saw that the mean was higher. And then we also maybe saw, mean was higher, that your dot plot had like a higher median at that point. All right, that's all I have for you today. Let me know if you have any questions while you're doing your homework. Have a good day.